This is an automatic welding machine, and it's insanely satisfying to watch. First, two metal pipes are placed and clamped into the machine. Once the start button is pressed, it begins the welding process entirely on its own. Using precise heat and pressure, it rotates and joins the pipe edges together. The result? A flawless, smooth, and super strong weld with zero human effort. These machines are used in industries like oil, gas, and construction where fast, reliable welding is crucial. Technology like this doesn't just save time, it also reduces risk and ensures consistency. Just set it up, press start, and let the machine do all the heavy work. Like what you saw. Like and subscribe for more.